Hey, what's up, guys? John and John here. Here's some clips of us having some fun on some pit bikes, four-wheeler, quads, you name it. And a couple updates about the channel on top of that. So, hope you guys enjoy. Welcome to the show.
Yes, sir.
It's John.
And John.
Let her eat!
He's on the quad. Let's go. Dan's driving a manual quad. Let's go.
Little tiny Skeeter has no working electronics. So I've got to cut the fuel and kill her off. Go, little Skeeter, go!
Sounds like
Rip. Huh. I wonder what this vehicle is.
oh, why might you ask?
I don't know. Just never seen it on the channel before.
Oh, it's a '98 Mustang GT.
Wow.
On Ford, boys.
Mord Mustang, Ford Mustang. Yeah! Kuma, 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 chameleon.
Well, seems like you want to call me out for my car, but I have a real quick question for you, though. Whose car is that?
That's my new Miata. It's a 2006 with only 14,000 miles, 13,000 when I bought it. So,
Jeez, how much did you spend on that, though, is the real question.
you know, we'll get more in on that when we talk about it in a future episode when we hit 100 subs. So tell all your friends to subscribe to John and John's Ghetto Garage.
Like, sub, and subscribe.
So John,
Oh, hey, guys, how are you doing?
how about we talk about what's this little doodad right here, little Skeeter?
Well, if you're so curious yourself, this here is a little Skeeter. PW50, two-stroke, makes gas and slap ass.
And now, what? This is a weird looking bike.
It has four wheels.
Why don't you tell us about the old quadaroonie right here?
Another Yamaha. It's a simple entry quad. It's a Yamaha Blaster, 200cc, two-stroke. You got your old stick gear speed right there, and you got some freshish tires.
These are
But the fact is,
fatties.
it's two-stroke, and it makes gas to slap ass.
Hey, mama.
It's a. Also, guys, fun fact: did you know if you travel in a Ford Raptor from Anchorage, Alaska to Texas, that emits the same amount of pollution as a two-stroke quad or two-stroke weed whacker for 30 minutes? Pollution.
Whoa. So John, for those who may not have been around on the channel for too long. What that? What's this right here?
Oh, I've had that for, you know, quite a while.
Are you a fan of the Punisher?
No, I need to get rid of this actually.
So tell us about the old 900 Ninja.
So, old ZX9R, 2003. Last year they made it, right before a ZX10R. And best part is it's carbureted.
Nice.
For carburetors, over fuel injection, I'm old.
And this one totally runs, right?
100%, 100%.
Weight reduction, bro.
Weight reduction. I did the engine delete. Takes about 200 pounds off.
Oh yeah. So tell us about this bad boy.
Well, guess what? Bump above that one. Fuel injected. ZX12R, 1200cc.
Wow.
Fast, yes. I got coal on my left leg, so I had to replace the head gasket.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Engine parts, engine parts.
Engine parts.
Engine part. Engine part. Built by K. GT 4.6 liters. Crikey.
It's a clear visor. It wasn't as cool.
Is there a BMW around here? Wow. Ah, yeah. Don't mind that. It's just my oversized hair dryer right there. So, you know, I'm a hairdresser now. Quit my other job when I got my Miata. Built by K!
It's a 4-cylinder too.
Nice. 4-cylinder gang. In case any of you guys thought I was lying. Baby Miles 2006. We're going basic, boys.